Cold leather. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy General315, man. I'm back again with another sneaker review video, and this time, man, we got those Travis Scott Jordan 6 British khaki things on deck. We got them on the pedestal. Let's break these joints down. I was actually kind of curious about these. There was a bunch of different things about the suede. There was some inconsistencies in the retails. There's always inconsistencies in the UA world. You know, we're gonna break that down and we're gonna see what the shoe is really about. Just to let you guys know, this is a UA shoe. This is an educational video, so just remember that. I'm just showing you guys what I got. Surprisingly, I got these from our friends over at Artemis Yeezy, and their Instagram is below on the video. They hit me up and they asked me if I could do a review video for them, and I said sure, no problem. Let's get to it. Let's break bread. Send me something. And they asked if I could do this one, and I said sure. I appreciate them for sending the shoe over for a quick review. I know that this one recently came out not too long ago, so I didn't really look up the history of it. I just know I have the Jordan 6 olive pair, and now I have this pair. I know there was like a yellow mustardy pair kind of floating around at some point, but I didn't bother to even try and get those because I just didn't like them. But anyway, if you guys want to get a retail shoe, you're gonna have to go to StockX or GOAT. The prices are on the screen. You know how I do for you. I try to take care of y'all. As far as the inconsistencies go, I can't really say for certain that this one has inconsistencies. I know it's supposed to have some long-haired suede, which I do see here. It does have some nice long-haired suede. Just note, if you do get the shoe, whether it be retail or a UA, when the shoe is laying in the box, the suede will be laying down. So you're gonna have to use a little brush to kind of raise that suede a little bit. But other than that, the shoe looks pretty good. No flaws that I've seen on this joint. Before I really get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the review. And make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Follow me on that TikTok. I actually put one up. It's just gonna have some previews, little clips of different videos that I've done before or will be releasing, will be on the TikTok. So make sure you guys go to there. The TikTok information is on the bottom of the screen. So let's just break this one down real quick. I like this shoe because it has a lot of brown. And Travis Scott is known for that brown. He likes to use a lot of browns, a lot of earth tones, greens, things like that. And this one is really nice. It's got some nice tan on here, nice light brown. And then you got some light brown on the midsole. You got some sail going on in here. I know that the outsole glows in the dark. I did take some pictures. Here you go. You can see that. It does glow in the dark. Looks good. It's the same thing as the Jordan 6 Travis Scott. You know, you still got the pocket. That looks good. You know, you got your little guy in there. That looks good, except now you have a bunch of different glow-in-the-dark aspects to the shoe. The outsole glows in the dark. Pull tab here, that glows in the dark. The tongue glows in the dark. Heel tab as well, that glows in the dark. I was surprised they didn't put glow-in-the-dark laces in this damn thing. It was so much glow-in-the-dark. So anyway, very, very nice shoe. The main thing is this suede. Now, this is a long-haired suede. It will come off. You know, when you brush it, little pieces will fly off, but that's just the nature of the long-haired suede. The materials on this shoe is very good. You still got your canvas material going up the tongue here, and that Jordan right there popping through there looks very, very nice. I do like the way that looks. You still got your Air Jordan here on the tongue as well. And then going to the back of the shoe, you do still have that Nike Air. You have the Cactus Jack. So very nice there. Outsole of the shoe, it has the Travis Scott, and it's got the sicko mode smiley face. So that looks good. You got a few more smiley faces or sad faces around the shoe coming through. The signature portion of this particular Travis Scott, in my opinion, is the second pocket, which is on the medial side of the shoe. You have a second pocket and a zipper. I thought that was interesting that they put a little zipper pocket there. Also, you got these three, I don't know, pen holders or something. I guess you could put some pens in there if you want to write some rhymes or whatever you want to do. But yeah, they got like these little straps here, which I thought was kind of interesting. I didn't see that on the last shoe, but it is definitely on this shoe. The sock liner of the shoe is that canvas material, which is a little bit different than the olive one. And then you have the Cactus Jack in there and and the insole is actually canvas as well. You have a normal, regular, schmegular shoe tree in there, and that's about it. So I definitely like this one. It's different. I do enjoy it. The materials are very good. I can't complain about that. This is my first shoe from Artemis Yeezy, and they've definitely impressed me. Definitely feeling this one. The shoe also comes with 2 extra sets of laces. I'm surprised I didn't see any black laces or anything like that, but you got this infrared lace here, which looks very nice, and you have this nice brown lace that matches that tongue right there. So that looks good too. I actually like this lace more than I like this one. So we'll see what I do when I do the on foot. But anyway, very, very nice shoe. I cannot complain about this shoe. Thank you, Artemis Yeezy, for going ahead and sending these ones over for the review. I'm glad I was able to connect with you, and I hope you send more stuff to me, okay? Send more stuff. Go check out Artemis Yeezy, all right? Check them out. These guys are really good. They got good products. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this one a nice solid 8 in terms of the colorway. I like the shoe. There's nothing bad about it. I do feel it. It is something about it that really has me, but I don't know if I'm a fan of the long hair suede as opposed to the short hair suede. But I still like the shoe. I think the shoe is solid. You know what I'm saying? Don't shoot me down for that. In terms of materials used were A1. The shoe fits true to size. Shipping was quick. It took about 9 days for them to get these to me. So that was pretty cool. Didn't see any flaws. Gotta go with like a 9, 9.5. I think this might be the best version of the shoe that I've seen at least in the UA world. I think this might be the best one. So if you want to get your hands on it, I'm not telling you to. Go to Artemis Yeezy, check them out, see what they can do for you. If not, make sure you go to that StockX and GOAT, because I don't condone the sale or resale of UA goods. You feel me? But if that's what you want to do your thing. Do what you want with your own money. All right? So let's jump into that on foot, y'all. Hope this video was informative for you. Hope you liked it. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. What's good, y'all? I like this one. The suede, though. The suede is nice. The suede is nice. I don't know if I can say I like these ones better than the other ones, but I can say that this one is a dope shoe. I appreciate Artemis Yeezy throwing these my way. That was clutch. Fun fact, when you're doing push-ups, you want to keep your body as straight as possible. Push the ground away from you. Push the ground away. You're not pushing yourself off the ground, you're pushing the ground away from you. You're actually moving the planet when you do a push-up. That's the object. Isolation. Isolate the pectoral muscles. Isolation is the key.